man. I mean,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah. So this is how to measure a replacement window. So as you measure, you want to make sure you get into this space here where this is called a window sash. So lower sash, upper sash. Right? So you want to get into this part here where the stop molding is. You want to be even with the stop molding. So there's two ways to measure. You can measure from inside here to here, or you can do it from the stop molding to the stop molding. That'll give you your frame opening. So when you measure across, it's not going to be always 100% exact because every window is a little off. So when you measure from stop to stop, it comes out to 32 1/4. Okay? Now what you typically do is you deduct for the sides, you deduct 1/4 inch so that you have the space to be able to insert your new window. Alright? So the height is a little more trickier. So what you want to do most times is you want to open the window on as far as the height, and then it's the same concept. You want to go from the window stop to the bottom of the window sill. Okay, so you got two kinds of sills. You got the 5/4 inch, the larger sill, and you have 3/4 inch sill. So you want to check what size sill this is. This is the 5/4 sill, which is the larger, thicker sill. So you want to go from up here, measure down to the top of the sill. So you see it's 45 to the top, but then you got to add the rest of the sill, which is 46 1/8. Okay, so that's your height, 46 1/8. But because the windows typically have a like a taper, okay, you want to deduct some because the front of the window is going to fit really snug. So you typically top and bottom you want to have 1/2 inch deduction. So when it's 46 inches, you want to go 45 1/2 inch, and that's the size of the window you want to order.